Hey, Kyle Sulerud here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about frequency capping. This is one video in a series of 14 videos where I'm walking you through YouTube campaigns and how you can review and audit your own campaigns. If you want the full guide, click the link included with this video, and you'll be able to download my full campaign audit guide. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about frequency capping. So to get to frequency capping, you'd go to your campaign settings, and then you need to expand the additional settings down here. And then you'll be able to see the frequency cap. So in this campaign, you can see that it's set at 3 impressions per day. Let's look at another campaign while we're at it. So this campaign, you see is set to 4 views per month. So basically what this means is someone is only going to see your video. They're only going to see your ads in this campaign 4 times per month. Once they've viewed an ad 4 times, they're not going to see it anymore. A view, of course, is someone who watches 30 seconds or more of the ad. This has no limit on impressions. So someone could potentially see the beginning of your ad and skip it 100 times before they actually view it 4 times. There's no limit on that in this campaign. In this campaign, we have a 3 impression limit with no view limit. So now if someone does watch the video, if they are a view, that would also count as an impression. So essentially, this does have a limit of 3 views, because if someone viewed the video 3 times, they also were an impression at least 3 times. Okay. But here we're just saying if someone saw the ad, they could have skipped it right away. They could have viewed the whole thing. No matter what, if they at least saw the beginning of the ad, we're only going to show that video. We're only going to show our ads 3 times per day to that person. Now, I don't have a magic rule for impression frequency and view frequency, but I will say that I don't really care how many impressions an ad gets, because I'm not going to be paying for impressions. We only pay per view. So if someone sees the ad 10, 20 times in a day, they skip it every time, that doesn't really hurt us. We're not paying for that. I do think it's kind of senseless, though, to show the same ad to someone 5 or more times, and they're just going to skip it every time they see it. And Google thinks that's senseless too. You know, they're not going to be showing the same ad to someone if they keep skipping the ad, because Google doesn't earn any money from that. So I do put an impression cap of 5 per day. That's typically how I set it up. But I don't think most people are even getting to that point. If they're skipping the ad 4 or 5 times, like I said, Google wants their money. They're going to try to show that ad. They're going to show a different ad to those people that hopefully would not skip those ads, so then Google can actually get paid. What is more important is the view frequency. And here I'm typically doing a 2 view per day limit. Okay, if someone viewed the ad once, maybe they were busy, maybe they were in the middle of an engaging video, they didn't click on the ad, they didn't opt in that first time, that's fine. I'll let them get away with that. I'll still want to show them the video again, okay, by that second view. Hopefully, you know, especially if it's a view, they actually watched that first ad, at least part of it. Hopefully now they are a little more familiar with with my product, with whatever my client is selling. So by that second view, there is a higher likelihood that they're going to click on the ad, go to the page, and sign up for whatever we're having them sign up for. If they're just watching the ads, though, if they've viewed my ad twice and they haven't done anything, at that point, I like to cut them off, at least for the day. Okay, I'll potentially show them the ad again another day, but 2 views in a day is where I like to cut people off. So my recommendation is to cap the view frequency at 2 per day. This is also one area where you can work to help scale a campaign. If you're at the limit for a campaign, you're not able to spend any more, but you want to, you can go ahead and increase your view frequency. This will not have a significant impact, but it is one area where you could see a little more traffic if you increase the view frequency, for example, from 2 to 3 per day, or from 3 to 4 per day. That's where I'll end this video. I do recommend having some cap on the frequency. Don't just let Google control this for you. You do want to be able to cap this and stop paying for views if people aren't taking action. Remember to click the link included with this video so you can download my full YouTube ad audit guide. My name is Kyle Sulerud, and I will see you in the next video.